hapon mga kababayan, kayo po ay nanonood ng kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang locally produced daily show na tungkol at para sa ating mga Pilipino, kung saan tuwing Huwebes ng hapon po pinapakilala namin kayo sa iba't ibang kababayan performers, bata, matanda, babae, lalaki. This afternoon on the show, get ready to be blown away by this girl. She's only 12 years old and I will call her a singing dynamite kasi you wouldn't want to miss her performance today on the show, and I assure you, you will greatly enjoy it. Also today on the show, get ready to laugh, tongue in a mode. Yan po ang pag-uusapan natin. Ano yun? Yan po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong hapon sa Kababayan LA. But also on Thursdays, we always open the show with the Nepales Reports. The only husband and wife team in the Hollywood Foreign Press Association, they are proud Pinoys. Janet Nepales is joining us on the line. Magandang hapon sa'yo, Janet.
Hi, Jonelle. Magandang hapon sa'yo.
So, yesterday, nagkaroon ng HFPA or Hollywood Foreign Press Association installation lunch. We're gonna be talking about that. Pero bago yan, para dun sa mga, they're just joining us, ano ba yung Hollywood Foreign Press Association and what do you do there?
Ito grupo ng mga international journalists, mga 90 journalists kami representing 55 countries all over the world na may combined readership of 250 million. And every year, meron nga kaming Golden Globe Awards na binibigay. And because of that, then nakakapag-donate kami ng more than 12 million na sa mga film-related charities, schools, at saka non-profit organizations.
Wow, that is great news. And we have your picture on screen right now. Janet and Ruben Nepales, I know that you went through literally the eye of a needle para makapasok dun sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association.
Mahirap talaga makapasok. Maraming requirements din kailangan gawin at talagang is very demanding.
All right. And installation luncheon kahapon, ano pa yan? Do you do that annually?
Yes, we do this annually at pinagmamalaki ko nga itong araw nito kasi itong araw na ito nagbibigay kami ng malaking pera para sa mga film schools, non-profit organizations at charities. And this year hosted nga ito ni Ava Longoria na Parker ng Desperate Housewives. Tinulungan niya yung HFPA president namin ngayon, si Philip Burke.
And I'm sure maraming influence, malakas ang influence ni Ava Longoria. I'm sure she was able to bring out a lot of stars also to that luncheon. Sino-sino ba mga umattend?
Maraming umattend ng mga artista, si Nicole Kidman, si John Slattery ng Mad Men, Annette Bening, si Aaron Sorkin na writer ng The Social Network starring si Justin Timberlake dadating dyan, si Bryan Cranston ng Breaking Bad, si Ryan Phillip na dating asawa ni Reese Witherspoon sa Crush, si Jane Lynch ng Glee, si Carla Gugino ng Entourage, Matthew Fox ng Lost, Jim Parsons and Kaylee Cuoco ng The Big Bang Theory.
At star-studded ang affair. Magkano ba ang na-donate ng HFPA?
This year, ang dinonate ng HFPA is 1,541,000 sa financial grants. Totaling na nga ng 12 million all in all.
Ayan, naku, grabe.
Iba-ibang mga schools yan, Janelle. Mga Cal State, sa UC Berkeley, LA Angeles Conservancy, Inner City Arts, at iba-iba pang mga organization.
Alright, maraming salamat. At syempre, mabuhay ang Hollywood Foreign Press Association. We were seeing this already in the different news programs and also on YouTube. Pero I'm sure may mga nangyari na hindi na ipakita sa camera.
Oo, bago ko pala makalimutan, pinasasalamatan ko si Stanley Mirador sa lahat ng mga litratong yan, ang only Pinoy photographer dun sa event. Kaya thank you kay Stanley.
Wow, thank you, Stanley.
Ang mga nangyari behind the scenes, kunwari si Jane Lynch ng Glee, wala siyang boses nung dumating siya, may laryngitis siya, so gusto niya daw mag-sign language siya during the event at mag-interpret na lang yung co-creator ng Glee, si Ian Brennan. Tapos si Kaylee Cuoco naman, dumating siya, nakaparang bandage wrap platform sandals niya na beige na minatch niya sa cocktail dress niya, kaya parang stand out naman yung outfit niyang yon.
Ayan.
Tapos si Annette Bening naman, dumating siya walang makeup, very confident siya. Lahat ng mga artista lumapit sa kanya. Nakita ko rin si Nicole Kidman at si Ava Longoria, nagchichikan sila, nagtatawanan.
Ayan, mga chismisan, di ba? Pero ang one of the biggest news for us Filipinos from yesterday's event is the re-election of our proud kababayan, Ruben Nepales, ang iyong asawa, Miss Jay.
Ruben was re-elected board member, kaya natutuwa rin kami. Ang kasama nga niya sa table niya, kasama niya si Jane Lynch sa Glee, tapos si Matthew Fox sa Lost, tapos si Adam Shankman, ang Hairspray director, tapos si Steve Antina, director ng Burlesque.
He's definitely come a long way. What does a board member do? What does a Hollywood Foreign Press Association board member do?
Pag board member ka, sila ang nagdi-decide kung anong mga schools ang mga tatanggap ng mga grants, kung anong mga or non-profit organizations ang tatanggap ng grants, at saka nagmi-meeting sila bago dumating sa members kung for approval, kung ano, they make the major decisions.
At alam ko sila yung mga busy paikot-ikot during the Golden Globe Awards.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing your stories with us this afternoon on the show, Miss Janet. And I know that you're working on another juicy topic for your column in Manila Bulletin.
Yeah, ang sinusunod ko ngayon naman for Desperate Housewives, I went to the set visit of Desperate Housewives. And yung Scott Pilgrim versus the World, starring Michael Cera.
At abangan niyo po yan sa Hollywood Bulletin, www.mb.com.ph. Thank you so much and more power to you, Janet.
Thank you, Janelle.
That was Janet De Pares, our kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Napakarami po talaga nating mga kababayan. They are doing very well here in the States. When we return on the show, we'll meet another one. So don't go away.
Introducing Rush Delivery from Zoom.com. 6-hour service sa Metro Manila. Zoom it online.